fake products killing your eBay listings? Here's how to remove counterfeits fast. And you can see we recently got a counterfeit removed on eBay. Your content was reported and was removed, which is awesome to hear because there's so many fakes popping up on eBay depending on your brand. And of course, our team is pros in this, right? So first you identify the infringement. So pretty much you just find an example of a fake product on eBay, right? So you're going to find the fake, whoever is reporting, if they're copying your images, if they're copying your trademark, right? Copyright. Make sure you have some type of intellectual property and then do research and find a fake, right? You're going to have to at least find the fake first. Once you find the fake, you're going to report it to eBay. So you're going to copy the URL and there's an item number in the URL, right? And then you're going to actually email eBay directly, right? Now the email for this is vero@ebay.com. You will need to follow up because eBay's slow, but you're going to email them to remove the fake. I'm going to give you the template in a second. eBay will review the infringement report and take necessary action, right? Like I just showed you. And then compliance, all eBay users are expected to adhere to eBay's policies, right? Now, it is better if you email them from an official email. So instead of @Gmail or @Yahoo, you do want to use something that has maybe your website or the trademark name or something that references the product that looks more legitimate. So keep that in mind. eBay doesn't want to accept random infringement requests from Gmails. And then here's the template used. So you're just going to use this in the template for when you are emailing eBay. Intellectual property owner, name and title, company, address, city, email address, telephone, website. And then you're going to do a reason code, works infringed, region, and item number. I just told you how to get the item number. It's in the URL of each eBay listing. And this is just multiple if you're reporting multiple at the same time. But if it's your first time, I would report one at a time and get used to how to do this. Then you're going to make a declaration, signature, sign it. Now it does ask for a reason code. So you're going to need a reason code. And here's the different reason codes. If it's a trademark, right? Item infringement, content infringement, copyright, you're going to put 3.2, copyright, other infringement. Please note that eBay does not process reports to enforce selective distribution agreements, which makes sense. There's also another eBay way to report it. You can actually chat with an agent. So you can contact eBay directly and chat with an agent to report them. That's another way to do it. And those are the two ways to do this and get some fakes removed on eBay. It does take time. eBay is slow, right? So you're going to have to do a lot of follow-ups, but it does work. As you saw, we did recently get one removed ourselves. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And we have a full infringement team. If you do need help with monitoring your eBay listings or getting fakes removed on eBay, we do this full time, so we're happy to help. There's a link right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Okay.